Alright, so this is the spinner side of the Easy Spin washer. The way the clutch actually slides up and down, you see these teeth? Got your handle that goes into the side, and basically when you turn it, your arm, it rolls the gear sliding this up and down, which does your blade operating your clutch and blah blah blah. You have to get, you have these grooves here that has this which slides into it. Wash first. You see the screw here. Screw is in there. It's also got this little notch, so they dimple it to keep it from coming loose. So anyway, the reason mine was not working, it was just so freaking corroded. I finally got it to pop loose. I got to get this clip off the rest of the way, clean it all up, and re-put it back together. That's from years of having a bad seal and stuff of that nature.